Today I will take on the challenge of transforming my business using email marketing strategies that really work. Email marketing is often overlooked, yet it has the potential to transform a business when used effectively. Think about it. With email marketing, you can target your ideal customer, nurture them through the buyer's journey, and ultimately drive sales and revenue. It's a powerful tool that can help you build strong relationships with your customers and set your business up for long-term success. One of the main reasons people don't give email marketing a try is because of misconceptions about its effectiveness. Some think it's outdated, that people don't open emails anymore, or that it's just a nuisance to their audience. But let me tell you, that couldn't be further from the truth. Email marketing is still one of the most powerful digital marketing channels out there, with an average ROI of 4,400%. Yes, you read that right, 4,400%. That's not something to sneeze at. Another misconception is that email marketing is all about spamming people's inboxes with promotional emails. But that's not what effective email marketing is about. It's about building relationships, providing value, and helping your customers solve problems. When you focus on that, you'll be surprised at how engaged your audience will be. Some people also think that building an email list is too hard or that it takes too long to see results. But the truth is, building an email list takes time and effort, but it's worth it in the end. With the right strategies and techniques, you can grow your list quickly and start seeing results in no time. And finally, some people think that email marketing is only for big businesses with big budgets. But that's just not true. Email marketing is something that any business can do, regardless of size or budget. With the right tools and strategies, you can create a successful email marketing campaign that drives real results for your business. So what makes email marketing so effective? One strategy is segmentation. This is where you divide your email list into smaller groups based on demographics, behavior, or preferences. By doing this, you can tailor your emails to specific groups, increasing their relevance and effectiveness. Another strategy is personalization. This is where you use the subscriber's name, tailor the content to their interests, or use other personal details to make the email feel more human. And let's not forget automation. This is where you use software to automate repetitive tasks, freeing up your time to focus on more important things. Automation can also help you scale your email marketing efforts, making it possible to send highly targeted and personalized emails to thousands of subscribers with just the click of a button. And with strategies like retargeting, you can even reach people who have abandoned their shopping carts or didn't complete a purchase. The possibilities are endless, and the results can be staggering. I want to share a case study with you that really drives home the power of email marketing. A friend of mine started a small online course business, and within just a few months of launching her email marketing campaign, she saw a 300% increase in sales. Yes, 300%. She did this by creating a series of automated emails that nurtured her subscribers, providing value and building trust. And when she finally launched her course, her subscribers were ready to buy. But that's not all. Another business I know of increased their open rates by 50% just by segmenting their email list and personalizing their emails. And yet another business saw a 20% increase in conversions just by adding a simple retargeting campaign to their email marketing strategy. The results are real, and they're possible for any business. So what's the takeaway from all of this? Email marketing is a powerful tool that can transform your business when used effectively. It's not about spamming people's inboxes or using cheap tricks to get them to buy. It's about building relationships, providing value, and helping your customers solve problems. By using strategies like segmentation, personalization, and automation, you can create an email marketing campaign that drives real results for your business. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Have you had any successes or failures with email marketing? What strategies have worked for you? And what challenges have you faced? Let me know. And don't forget to subscribe for more digital marketing tips and tricks.